Big congratulations to Nigerians. We are finally in on Meta list of countries that are eligible to monetize. The question still remains, are you going to start making money on Facebook or not? Well, I've been getting a lot of messages from my subscribers and my followers why I've not said anything pertaining the rumors that have been flying around about Nigeria becoming eligible to monetize. Okay, and I intentionally kept quiet because I want to get my facts right before I update you guys. Okay, like I told us earlier, before you become officially monetized as a country, Facebook travels down to that country to reach an agreement, and they did it some months ago. And after that, they announced that Nigeria will be included in the countries that are eligible to monetize on Meta. And we've been waiting for them to make that update on their list. And since the rumors started spreading, I've been checking this list every single day. I've been in contact with some Facebook agents that I've worked with over the years, and also with some content creators that I know both in and outside Nigeria. And finally, it is here, guys. Congratulations to Nigeria. Over how many millions of Nigerians will now be able to monetize all the contents that they put up right from Nigeria here. Before I continue, I still remain Justice Chibike. As you all know here, it's about Facebook growth and monetization and nothing more. It's not about the views, it's about the value. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I'm going to be opening a section for my members alone. So do well to subscribe and don't miss out those updates. And to my subscribers and followers out there, I'm going to dedicate my next 5 videos for my Nigerian people alone. I am taking an excuse from you guys. So I'm going to be giving updates back to back on how you can start making money on Facebook now that you are finally eligible to monetize. I feel so happy. I feel so happy. No stress of looking for foreign admin anymore. Right from the comfort of your home, you can start uploading content, upload your details, and you'll be able to monetize without stress. Okay, so stick on this channel and on this page because I am going to be revealing it from a beginner guide to the pro guide on what you need to do and the things you don't need to do if you want to monetize your page. So yesterday evening, it became official. It becomes very official that Nigeria has been monetized because we were included in the list of countries that are eligible, including our neighboring country, Ghana. Congratulations to Ghanaians. If you are on this page and on this channel and you are from Ghana, please leave a comment below. Congratulations to you guys. You guys are also eligible now to monetize. What a great time to be alive. At least this monetization is going to cause a lot of poverty alleviation, especially in my country. Okay, so make use of it. Like I said, if you're not subscribing to this channel and not following this page, this is the right time for you to do so because the contents are going to be coming back to back to help you monetize your channel. Now, going into it, guys, how do you start making money on Facebook? Now that we are eligible, it doesn't mean that everybody will start earning. There are still a lot of people. In fact, half of Nigerian, or even more than half, just a quarter, maybe 30% will meet up this criteria and be able to monetize. That's if they will be able to reach up to 30%, because there are things that you need to put in place before you become eligible to monetize. You can see that I'm doing this video with a very strong and big energy because I am very happy for all of us. Okay, I'm very happy. I'm so happy. I cannot hide it. We've been going through this stress of setting up pages for people abroad, looking for admins abroad. I myself, I use agency. My agency, we work from abroad and we set up pages, and going through the stress of maybe constant demonetization and the rest. It's finally over. Now, how do you monetize? Let's come to the business of the day. Are you going to be among the dollar squad, or are still going to be watching skits? The option and the answer is left for you. Whichever one you want to do, I want to inform you that you too can start making a whole lot of money from the comfort of your home with that small phone and a little data on it. So how do you start? First, you need a page. Most of you have professional accounts. Yes, professional accounts will be monetized in Nigeria. Now, I know many people are asking this question, whether professional mode, that is account that was converted to professional mode, is going to become eligible to monetize. Yes, So if you have an account, you can monetize, but you need a page. Why? Because business page is always different from a professional account or professional page or whatever you guys call it. Okay, so it's always different because there are some things that you can access on a page that you cannot access on professional mode. So first you need a page, a brandable page, not just an ordinary page, a page that represents what you want to do with your page. That is the first step of you becoming monetized. And the next thing is that you need content. You need content, and not just every content, you need a niche, a kind of content that focuses on a particular niche, because this kind of pages and this kind of content that I upload on a page that targets a particular niche is very easier for Facebook to approve for monetization. So you need a particular niche that you're going to focus on and you make money. Then the third thing is that you need to be unique in whatever you are doing. Yes, you can model from other people, but you need to be unique. Right? You need to be unique. You need to bring your own style of content creation. You can create content literally from everything around you, from everything in your home. Maybe when you are walking on the road, when you are driving, if you make hair, you're a mechanic, anything you do, you can make content from it and it will be monetized. So you don't need big gadgets, you don't need iPhone 15 Pro, you don't need big cameras. You just need a good phone with a good camera, not too good camera, a moderate camera, and then your idea, the content that you want to put out. And trust me, and with little editing skills, you are good to go. You are going to make money online. So this is the basic things that you need to make money online. On this series, like I said, on this video, I'm going to make like 5 or 6 videos that will explain each stage of monetization, how to create page, how to start growing it, to start creating content, how to stay in policy of Facebook, and also how to apply when you have met up your criteria. It's going to be a very long video. Again, I am apologizing to my audience. Maybe this is not targeted to all my audience, but then I also recommend that you watch all this series, because whichever country you are that is monetized, you are going to actually gain a lot of things from this video. Yes, you gain a lot of things from this series that I am about to embark on. Okay, so that is this, guys. I am officially confirming that we are eligible to monetize. After this video, I'm going to start rolling out how to create a page, a good page that is okay, what to consider before you create your page, how to start posting, how to start growing, how to use other platforms like other pages, other groups, how to comment the right way, things you need to post on that page and the things you don't need to post. And it's going to be a lot. I'm going to pour out my heart to you guys. Okay, like, you know, I've monetized a lot of people, and the goal in this last half of the year is to monetize more people, especially in my home country, Nigeria. So stick to this channel. If you've not subscribed, just do that now. Till I call your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike. Stick to this channel. It's going to be hot, man. Congratulations to Nigeria once again. Peace, 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 peace. So happy.